if you want to cancel your Google AI Pro subscription, also known as Gemini Advanced. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel it using the Google One website on desktop. This method works if your AI Pro subscription is managed through Google One. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to one.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that has the AI Pro subscription. You can check this by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner. Once you're on the Google One homepage, click on Manage Membership. You'll find it in the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll to the bottom of the page for Cancel Membership. Click on it. Now click the Cancel button on the left. A Google One cancellation confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Cancel Membership. In this new window, you should be on the Subscriptions tab and click Manage on the left. Scroll down again to click Cancel Subscription. In this new pop-up, you get the chance to tell them why you decided to cancel your Google AI Pro subscription. Once you're done with that, click Continue. Now finally we get to the last pop-up window. You're told of the date of the cancellation. After that date, your Google AI Pro features will be removed. You have two options: keep the subscription or cancel the subscription. Now for the final time, click Cancel Subscription. You will finally get a pop-up window informing you that it has been cancelled. You have nothing left to do but click OK. You will also receive an email from Google informing you of this change. And that's how to cancel your Google AI Pro subscription on desktop through Google One. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.